That's today topic. Alpina SK24. This one was manufactured in 1960 according to the serial number. I checked the typewriter database here. Yeah. Anyway, this one is another like luxury model, like Volvo or Torpedo. I think this one, the sale price little bit higher than other ones. Also, this one is a little bit heavy compared to the other one. I checked the Olympia SM series, and then Torpedo, and then what is it called? Boss. If the same size, then this one is a heaviest one, very heavy. So someone said it's a small office machine. That's why. Very reliable, heavy. Basically, this is the outside material. Looks like a torpedo one, torpedo material. Very good material. Very design also very fancy. This is a very simple, like a very well speedy sports car. This one is the Bach, Mercedes Bach. They're kind of little bit bulky, but very well designed. They are full function, right? Tab or backspace, and then later I see the control, the touch control, and this one into the case. You need to change like this, and then to lower this part. Right now it's a little bit higher, easy to control the carriage or line feed up like this one, but it's plastic, but very strong one. And then to the case like this. That's the one thing. And then this paper support, this, then, and then like it's a carry release, same thing. And then this one is I think clear all tabs. This one is a tab set. Oh. And then tab clear. See? The bell sound okay. And then most fancy thing is also inside design is very good. Very strong case body. And, this is a fancy to the touch control. Well designed, right? Okay, we can control like this. Like lift up and then move, lift up and then move, like this. That's the control, and then this is a ribbon spool, like this, and then this one is very good, working well. Then this side design is very good, curved Then this one, paper bale, also fancy design, working perfect. That's the good thing, right? The inside design is also like very firm and then very well mechanically also. And then most good thing is like rain metal, Hermes 3000. This whole carries it very easily. This is one of the top. Very quick, we can remove just this lever, like this. That's it. And then this side also, this lever. Then that's it. And then in the center, you can take off this one. I need two hands, but yeah. Okay, it's very heavy, so yeah, like this. This one, this part is very clean, well designed also. And then this is the carriage part. It's also very heavy because they used the very good material. See, there is one more serial number. This serial number match with this one, inside this one, right? 20 something, 207 what? 583, right? 207583, yeah. So original, it's very good. And then in order to remove this one, this is recommended like this, right? Then easily. So I think this is more easier than rain metal and then Hermes 3000. Also material is very good, heavy and then firm and then solid. This part also, yeah? So that's the one of the good stuff for this typewriter. And then let's put back on, and then we can talk about the touch. Okay, I already put back on. Same thing, just lock like this. Then move here, easily lock like this. Then we cannot remove. It's already locked. See? Yeah, very nice. Okay, and then like this. Really heavy. Yeah. I think from the portable typewriter, this is the heaviest one, I guess. Yeah. Both also heavy, but this one is a little bit bigger, what is it called, the carriage. So that's why if I got the small compact carriage, still I guess this one is heavier. Let's see the typing feeling, touch feeling with the paper. Okay, wait a minute. When you feed the paper, the sound is a little bit louder. See? But very good. Okay. A lot of people say this typewriter is one of the best typewriter. Very good result. So but little bit louder sound. Yeah, little bit sound. This one is the Torpedo 18. Sound also louder, but touch is good. Very snappy. Less snappy, but feeling good. This is Olympia. Little bit soft, I think feeling this one is better. Yeah, this one, this Alpina is better. Yeah, result also good. I use the old ribbon, but still very good. Yeah, then this one, both very soft, feeling very good. I removed the ribbon. Very good. Little bit different. This is a little bit closer to the Olympia feeling. This one more close. The Alpina closer to the boss. This is a little bit sound louder, and then feeling is different, but result is very good because very snappy. That's why, yeah. But one thing is you need a little bit more attention because like this side, like this sound, that means like this. So make sure like this. We got this sound, not this sound, not this sound. We need like at least a little bit harder. Then result is very good. The harder means not that hard. The key is good. Key is like almost key action very close to this one, but the feeling very close to the boss. Boss is I guess the touch feeling so far boss is good, but yesterday I typed with the Hermes 2000. Wow, amazing! I'll compare later Hermes 2000 again. Hermes 2000 is much better than, my personal opinion, much better than the Hermes 3000. So I checked the antique typewriter, the discussion about that. A lot of people said the Hermes 2000 is better than Hermes 3000 for the touch. This one also, I couldn't find any complaint about this typewriter. This is a little bit one more class up, like a luxury. Yeah, it's very good. It's not like a typewriter. It's like a press, something like a commercial press. Yeah, this one still good. So touch feeling, this one a little bit closer to here. This one also a little bit close to Olympia, but this is a little different. But the key action very close to both. But feeling is closer to a little bit here. And then this outside the material, they are very same. But this one is totally different. It's like cast iron, but very well designed. Also, this one is very well designed. Wow! So, yeah, this is really one of the beast. Perfect typewriter. Little bit like good for the display, right? Very beautiful, right? But this is very simple. I like this kind of stuff. But anyway, it's 3, and then I will compare maybe tomorrow or Monday with the Hermes 2000 again. It's another another very I cannot decide. Yeah, really good. Yeah, I cannot decide. But for cost, this one, of course, the cursive was very expensive. This day, it's not easy under $1,000. Maybe with like this condition, You cannot buy under $1,000 this one. Just it's a regular one. I think this one regular typeface, but perfect condition. Maybe at least 500. Both these days little bit cheaper than other one. It's like less than 500 if you find a good one. Yeah, you can find. Yeah, so that's the. But this is a wider pattern, so maybe cheaper. But compact one maybe 500 something. But problem is Alpina, it's not common. It's rare. It's very hard to find these days. Of course, nobody wanted to sell this one because they want to keep same thing. They want to keep, but both little bit we can find easily compared to these two. But I guess typing, wow, I guess this one is also good. I want to review again with the another boss. I think this is really good. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.